Welcome to Fronto. Free online tools for creative people. An Android app to help you boost your creativity. Online tools on your fingertip, for photo editing, video manipulation, 3D creation, web design and development, coding tools and references and few more. Easy to navigate from main screen or swipe to the right for quick menu, just click on the category you need. Photo editing and image manipulation, adding text to photos, resizing, cropping, background erase, filters, effects, stickers, and more. Click on the logo or press back button to navigate to the main screen. Choose another category. Video editing and manipulation. Animation. Check other categories. Sculpt. Turn photos in 3D objects. Design and create websites. Spice your site look with Cascade style sheets. Learn web design and coding. Create simple programs and animations without coding. Check miscellaneous section for few more things. Get Fronto and have all these tools on one place whenever you need them.